Guys, we're gonna be playing I'm hospital with my friend. Nain ka na, Gray? Nain ka na! Pwede na ka!
Go, walo. Okay pa man yan. Hulat lang kita.
Ngadi, Gray! Ngadi, Gray! Ngadi, Gray! Gray!
Ay, God.
Hindi ako napitik. Hindi ako napitik! Pagkadi, Gray!
To.
Yes! Yeah! Lakin. Ano, ikukanan ko lakon. Putik.
Magpakalas ito.
Oo! Diyan nga nila eh.
Wala, shawarma.
Lagyan nga na tayo. Diyan, Ros, buli ka na nan.
Shawarma kita.
Shawarma. Saan na, Daddy?
Kamu.
Pink ka man. Gray. Nga da ka ma, kung ikaw mais kanira. Kung iban era picture. Kung na hira.
Papat
Sirada.
sayang.
Oo.
Hey. Ano?
Mahulat lang nga di guys. Closed not yet. Yes, still not there.
Okay.
Guys, in the next episode, next vid will be shawarma. We're gonna be playing shawarma kiosk. See, kagre? Kami yakan shawarma. Come on, bro. Again.
Pinky yan.
Room 1. Oh, you got room 1? Okay, bro. You're super safe, bro. Come on, bro. Green, ngadto ka lang.
Okay.
You are working there. I'm working here.
Okay pa man.
Don't open the door. Let's go number
I'm
code.
Ginger.
We got this. Oh, his name's Ginger. Okay, bro.
Papahuli ka. No naman.
Stomach cake.
Wala ka
Stomach cake.
Papabantay ang inday. Babay po naman kita, hindi pa mama.
Room 2.
Room 2 yan.
Oras 12:45.
Pag simado ay nito. Kuya!
Adiman gray. Ini nga pula. Ade mo ligid nga pula. Ito. Ito nga white.
Ano pang nakakalo na patient?
Yeah, I know. First day pala, walay pa dito. Dua pala ito nga patient.
Manadi?
Dire yung
Bayo naman nakita ko naman didi.
okay. Bato diri ka maaram.
Maaram ako.
Gray, makita ka TV anong kailangan?
Maaram ako.
Mm.
Kanina nakakita ko yun.
Mm.
Uy,
Ako
yun
naman mga work na di. The doctor is arriving.
Diba makadala?
Hello, Dr. Harlow.
Makadala kita kaya din yung doktor.
Dr. Harlow. Hello, Dr. Harlow. Gray, dapat makuhan ka. Ini, Gray, mainom ka ni pare mo sanity. Maubos ka ni mo sanity. Patay ka na. Now,
Unbrain?
papauli ka na. Oo, on brain. Ako nga, day! Hindi ba nga ito ka?
Bibe, may wakwak ko?
It's just fine. Hello, Dr. Harlow. Okay, I fixed the shutters. Oh! Di man ito, Gray. Ano, naging pula. That was good. Shutters, apparna. Security cameras, apparna. I'm gonna light up the cameras. Okay, cameras is still fine. And I am the best player. You can do it. May daga, ano yung nakuha? Pera mo money?
Shift 1 niya.
Pera mo money? 63. Hello, bro. Hello. Hey, what's up, bro? What's up? What is up? You save. Okay, save ka la. And let's check again. Okay, you're super safe. Go.
Ano yan?
CPF. Room 4, room 4.
Oh.
I'm better at this
Baka
game.
din na, rumpol ka.
What? That's someone.
Come on!
I'm scared. What's up? I'm Zoe Tanaka.
Huh?
What? Okay, that's fine. It's fine.
Si Madam.
To save, like to save. Ato nga ligid. Ato ligid. Oh, you can go. I-help ko like Gray.
Kaya ko na.
Ma-help Gray.
Bakit
Ba daw mag-ritual ha. Ba daw mag-ritual. Ayaw hitaw! Sabihin sas.
Ano pa man?
Hello. He's safe. It's a great man. I'm saving you.
Awan.
And doing that. Save ka lang, Gray.
Herbs.
Herbs.
He made herbs.
Herbs bandage. Bandage. What do you need? What do you need? Fever,
Snap.
bruises.
Snaya mo.
Fever, bruises.
6-7 na lang ako.
Yan,
Mag,
Judith. Ritual! Amay na eh!
no, nag-graded to.
Lakin. Get the candle up. Get that candle off. Get that candle up. Get that candle off. Get that candle up. Get that
No,
candle
ano
off.
tiyo?
But ito nasip na iya. Is fine.
O, yung si Madam muna ko.
57 Hurry up. What do you mean?
Pauli ka na.
Gray, may ada nga di tao. Ito. Room 1 daw. Room 1. Kaya naman si Radan.
Tama. Yun.
Kira kita security camera.
Balbugan naman kita ni Kuya. Madali ilakan.
Threat remaining. One patient. Lock in, bro.
Ano? Dito ko. Makatira kami ng dati. Kanina kami, makadari kami.
Basta, Gray.
Kinahiyo.
The doctor
Is arriving.
The doctor, hello. Dr. Hello, what's going? What you doing? You good? You good? You good? You looking good, Dr. Hello? You looking good, right? Ako lang, balyo naman kita. Okay. Romano. Yakan nala ako na Romano. Handa. The shop is open. What I have to buy in the shop?
Go.
Yun ang best. 3, 0, 0, 0. Good! Nice, thank you.
Good luck ako.
75! 6 na ako ko.
72 dito.
6. What do I have to buy? Recover.
I have to buy.
I want to buy this. Want coffee.
I have
Want
to
coffee. Sold out. I'm sorry,
I
bro.
want to buy my shoes.
Gray, kuan na laha. Kuan na lahiya. Ano yung arom?
Ano naman ka daw?
Namagtamatay na yung Oh! 6 to 8 is arriving.
Makita na ako, ma-speak niya ako.
We got this. Fire extinguisher.
Yo!
What?
Yun.
What? Why? Iban niya picture? Huh? Greg? Oh, okay. That's not weird at all. Oh, wow, wow. Gray. Ayaw, dirty yata ako. I am. Get out of here, sir.
So, di ka tao, diba?
As to live. Ow!
Ikaw
Is
ka?
that unnecessary? No! You gotta get out.
Kuha na yun.
I will kill you. What? He just disappeared! Okay, that's not good.
You're safe, bro.
You still have 60 sanity, bro. Are we serious? Ano yan nga room? Ano yan? What room is he? What room?
We'll be in room 5.
Oh, unless na... Ito! What the hell? Hey, you don't have to go there. Gray! Pilita! Dapat uri ka na kada. Marap na nga. Bawal ka itong kada. Are you serious? Right now. Ganito na. Ayun na nga di.
Ako ang bidisina.
Ako la. Ikaw lagi na word nga to. Masisina iterang. Malakat ito erang. Ato la. Ito la, Gray. Ato kad la, Gere. Ala ka, masisina iterang. Maya kan tira, hurry up. Done.
Look ninyo. Diba di animal in eh?
Anay, kita ano yung picture? Diri amo! May da iba pa. Dito tao! Oh, iba niya ko ano.
Hello.
Bro have 3 eyes. Oh, camera is down. The hell?
Pag-brain na lang. Tipo na lang po daw po. Ikaw sa tipo. Hello. Who are you?
You can do it.
Saan ka maswang bro?
Aswang niya? Iba niya picture?
Yeah.
Okay. We got a lock-in, bro. We're literally shift 3, right? Who are you?
Doctor again.
No, that's not doctor. My name. Oh, you're Ron! I don't know who you are. What is that? Top secret. That's not weird at all! Yeah! Never mind. What room is he?
Wait. Shift 3.
What room is he, bro? What the hell?
Room 4.
Room 4, okay. We gotta chill.
Room 5.
Okay.
It's brave. Room 5. Ba't anak mo daw?
Bayangan deh. Come on, doctor. Come on, Ron. Come on, you. Ron, you gotta come fast in. Run. What's taking you for so long? You okay, dude? Why do you walk like that? Hey, what do you want? Okay. You're really holding a briefcase. What does he need? We gotta go. Fever. Oh. So we need that. And you gotta go. And bye, Gray.
Ada pa man yan?
May daw pa nga di. Hello, sir. Ikaw naman, Kuan, Gray.
Bakit nagkitin?
Are you serious?
Arrivals ba?
Bye, guys.